A lot of times in business, people will focus on a long-term goal such as revenue growth or quarterly growth, a growth number. What they really need to focus on is the lead measure that takes to get to that. If you just focus on the actual outcome or goal, the profit goal or the revenue goal, then you're going to miss the mark, because you need to focus on the actual lead measure. And the lead measures are the actions that it takes to get to that goal. If you're looking for a certain income or revenue goal, you need to backtrack and say, what does it take to get to that? What actions does it take? So you probably need a certain number of leads coming into your pipeline every single day, week, month. And how do you get to those leads? So you can't just say, I need this many leads. You need, how are you going to get those leads? So you're going to say, okay, I can use advertising. What kind of advertising? Okay, so I can use Google search ads, I can use video ads, I can use Facebook ads or TikTok ads. So there's a type of ad, but then you got to say, okay, how many ads does it take to get a certain number of leads per day, per week, per month, per year, etc. So now you need to have all those numbers in line and what type of ads you're going to use, and you go from there. And once you can figure out how many leads you're going to get on those ads, this should be fairly consistent once it gets going. Then you can focus on sales. The first thing would be leads, but backtracking to that is, how do you get those leads? It's advertising. How do you do advertising? It's effective advertising on Facebook or whatever platform it is. So there's multiple layers of lead measures that you need to take. There's little goals here and there, little goals at every single step that you have to focus on and take in order to achieve the ultimate goal of whether it's a monthly, quarterly, yearly revenue growth or profit margin. Obviously, you need to have that end goal in mind, but you got to backtrack and see how you're going to achieve those. And it starts by lead measures. It's these actions that you can take, that you can physically take and physically impact in order to achieve every single goal along your path. Hope that helps. Let me know if you need any help to look and see about setting those goals, those actions, those lead measures for your particular business. We can talk. All right. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.